national super alliance for the opposition seems to be a done deal after at least 15 political parties signed a memorandum of the Bomas of Kenya promising to remain united towards the August general election. Political leaders Musalia Mudavadi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Raila Odinga, Wetangula and KANU's Salat also undertook to put all their might in the drive to get their supporters to register as voters in order to face off with Jubilee. Our senior political affairs reporter Duncan Hyamba with the details.
As promised, they came, they danced and they declared. Opposition chiefs and their supporters eyeing various seats in the forthcoming general election congregated here at the Bomas of Kenya to adopt a common strategy on how to wrestle power from the grip of Jubilee.
Jubilee must go! Safari hii, tunataka the real emancipation, the second liberation of Kenya.
Mimi ndio nilikuwa natembea na Mudavadi na sasa tuko hapa, hizo kura zote ziko ndani ya God. We are going to win. We shall win. Tuambie viongozi wetu, you must hold together. Hebu turudie hiyo, you must hold together.
In August, the people of Kenya will have a government of the people, for the people, by the people.
In what seems to be a change in tact, the opposition shelved the idea of mass action to protest the recently forcefully amended electoral laws and instead employed services of three technocrats, David Ndii, Professor Abubakar Zain and Professor Elisha Ngoya, to rally Kenyans against Jubilee, which they claimed is running down the economy.
If Jubilee can do what they did in December in Parliament, bringing policemen, fighting, what are they going to do if we allow them to have a supermajority?
It is sometimes said that it is not those who cast the ballots who determine who wins, it is those who count the ballots who determine that who wins. That's what we must resist.
The opposition said their main focus for now is voter mobilization.
If you want an alternative process of elections in case of technology failure, you back up technology with technology. Kama hawaelewi, tunataka kuambia, ukiweka gari kwa barabara ikiwa ni Pajero na unataka kubeba spare wheel for backup, unabeba spare wheel ya Pajero. Hubebi kurudumu ya baiskeli ukisema hii ni backup ya gari ya Pajero.
Let this not be a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Mimi nasema tukisimama hapa, nataka umoja ambao tunadhibitisha hapa, walai. Na mimi nataka niwaambie, kwa sababu nimetembea hiyo barabara. Hiyo barabara ni nyembamba na ni ndefu.
Wanaswe. Si namna hiyo. Lakini basi, we have to be very strategic. We have gone this journey before. We don't this time. We will not accept another stolen election in Kenya.
We appeal to you to be our eyes and our ears on the ground on this exercise. We in turn shall continue to be your eyes and ears up here against Jubilee. But we also promise that you shall never walk alone in this exercise. As your leaders, we shall be visiting your areas to give you the push and the guidance that you may need.
And with that, they gave an undertaking of approaching the election as a united team. Jubilee must fall. It's being done elsewhere. It must be done in Kenya. That is the message by the united opposition as they embark on a strategy which they say, if well applied, it will ensure that Jubilee is defeated come August this year. Duncan Haimba, KTN at the Bomas of Kenya.